I don't know why I'm doing this to myself. So I was on Marketplace one day last week, seeing if there's anything interesting, and I came across this beauty. Now there's no way I can buy this. I already have my Tiffany project and it's going very well. I've got no place to store this, I've got no place to keep it, I've got no money to restore it. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm gonna take a look at it anyway. So I said to my wife, if this video gets 1,000 likes, I will somehow convince the owner to let me work on it at his place. I'm not gonna buy it, I'm just gonna work on it and do a classic will it run on it. If I can get the engine to start, make some noise, it'll help him to sell it because it'll be more appealing. The next buyer will know what he's gonna get, and you know, I get to make a cool video. So if this is something that you would like me to see try and do, like all the other big YouTubers, share this video with as many people as you can, tell them to like it, and if I get 1,000 likes, I will do this. Now I think I'm pretty safe. Usually my videos get about 1,000 views and maybe 50 likes, so yeah, as lotteries go, I think I'm pretty safe. But if you guys do want to make me suffer, yeah, make sure that you do this. Okay, so I am back here at the Opel. Let's hope this time I remember to press record.
He's a big boy. Yeah, he's a big boy. Okay. And there she is. Ooh, these guys are smelling me. I know. Stepped on his foot. Okay, nou moet jy op spring hoor. Okay, kom, gaan lê. Moet net nie vir my buite my bout nie. Ek vra jou baie mooi. Okay. There we go. Guys, the patina on this car is amazing. Just the right level of paint fade. All the chrome is still intact. I'm gonna open this door. Just listen to this. Open. Closes perfectly. Needs some Q20 in the hinges, but the door jambs are solid. There's that tag. I looked at the floors. The side seems to still be there, but they're quite soft. So the floors will have to get redone. The floor on that side is completely through. I mean, the interior is obviously shot. It's a very old car, and yeah, she's been sitting outside for a little bit, but apparently up in Uppington, it was also indoors, or at least in a shed. So dash isn't burned through. I mean, it's just a solid car. Apparently that's the original radio, and it's the original paint as well. So it's a not a single owner, but single family car. The car has been in this family since it was bought in Malmesbury in 1958. It's a 1957 model. You are very friendly. The bonnet. Now let's open that again. Where's that ledge? Trying to do this with one hand. There we go. Okay, let's just do this again slowly. You can see no rust in the usual places. I mean, in here the leaves will collect, but there's a nice drainage hole there. Everything's solid. The valve train was open recently. I've got a photo of that. I'll put it in. Nothing looks too scary with rockers. The owner does say the engine is stuck. He can't turn it over, but that can be the water pump, it could be the alternator, or it could be the engine itself. But I'm sure some diesel or other juices in the cylinders for a while will just let it soak and she'll be fine. The carburetor is blocked and the hood's been on, so I mean, not a lot of moisture could have gotten in there. There's oil in it. I did check that as well the other day. I mean, it's old, but it's on the right level. Doesn't look to be milky. Yeah, I mean, this is a very, very restorable car. If I was going to do this, I would fix it mechanically. And come on, don't break anything, Abby. I would fix it mechanically, like lightly sand the paint with steel wool to get rid of all the flakes, and then clear coat it. That's honestly what I would do. I mean, look at this. This is usually also where they completely rusted through. Everything is solid. I mean, you might need to fix a little couple of pinholes here and there, but like, compare this to Isabella. There's no comparison. So yeah, hopefully this is a better video. Light's a bit bad. I'll try to get a shot from the other side as well. Yeah, that's the Opel Kapitän or however you pronounce it, made in South Africa, 1957.